Welcome back to my channel, and today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the all-new 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Cadillac has always been a name associated with luxury, prestige, and comfort, but now they're taking it a step further by entering the world of high-end motorhomes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of wealth, freedom, and elegance, combining the legendary Cadillac style with the practical needs of a luxury traveler. Let's explore what makes this new motorhome one of the most talked about releases of the year. The exterior design of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is where the story begins. Cadillac has taken its signature bold, futuristic styling language and translated it into a massive, elegant motorhome body. The first thing you notice is the imposing presence of the front grille. Inspired by Cadillac's latest Escalade lineup, the motorhome features a wide, elongated front fascia that proudly carries the Cadillac crest in a dramatic fashion. LED matrix headlights are seamlessly integrated into the design, giving it a sleek and modern look. The overall body is aerodynamic despite its size, with sculpted lines that enhance not only style but also fuel efficiency. Chrome accents run along the edges, and retractable side mirrors adapt to the width of the road. From the side profile, the motorhome impresses with a stretched, streamlined silhouette. Cadillac has focused heavily on elegance rather than bulkiness, so it looks more like a rolling mansion than a boxy RV. Panoramic windows dominate the side panels, allowing natural light to flood the interior and offering breathtaking views while on the move. The rear carries a distinctive Cadillac light signature, a vertical taillight design that links directly to the brand's heritage. Multiple storage compartments are subtly integrated into the exterior panels, providing practicality without compromising aesthetics. The roof is fitted with hidden solar panels to supplement energy needs, another touch of innovation that makes this motorhome futuristic and eco-friendly. Underneath that beautiful body lies a powerful performance setup. Cadillac has equipped this luxurious motorhome with a hybrid powertrain, blending a robust V8 engine with advanced electric motors. This combination ensures smooth acceleration, strong torque, and surprisingly efficient fuel consumption for a vehicle of its size. The motorhome is built on a reinforced chassis designed specifically for long-distance comfort and stability. Adaptive air suspension ensures that no matter the terrain, passengers will enjoy a quiet, cushioned ride. Even in high crosswinds, the stability control system keeps everything balanced and safe. Driving performance is enhanced with Cadillac's Super Cruise technology, a semi-autonomous driving system that allows hands-free driving on compatible highways. This feature is a game-changer for motorhome enthusiasts who plan to travel across long stretches of road. It provides peace of mind, reduces driver fatigue, and adds another layer of luxury convenience. With regenerative braking, the hybrid system recaptures energy to extend battery life, making long journeys more efficient. Despite being a massive motorhome, Cadillac has engineered it to feel surprisingly responsive, with refined steering and controlled handling that reflects the brand's focus on performance as well as comfort. Now let's take a short peek inside, where Cadillac's luxury DNA shines brightest. Stepping into the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome feels like entering a five-star hotel suite. The interior is designed with premium materials like fine leather, hand-finished wood, and brushed aluminum accents. The living area is spacious, featuring a plush lounge with adjustable recliners and a smart entertainment system integrated into the walls. The kitchen area comes equipped with modern appliances, marble countertops, and intelligent storage solutions, making long trips feel like home. The bedroom offers a king-sized bed, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that bring the outdoors in while maintaining complete privacy. Technology is seamlessly woven into the interior design. Voice-activated controls manage lighting, climate, and entertainment, while smart connectivity allows travelers to stay in touch with the world even in remote locations. Cadillac has even integrated a wellness system that monitors cabin air quality, temperature, and lighting to ensure maximum comfort. The bathroom features a spa-inspired shower, luxury fixtures, and premium finishes. Every detail is designed to provide comfort and sophistication at the highest level. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. Its rolling symbol of freedom and luxury. It combines Cadillac's legendary craftsmanship with modern performance innovations and cutting-edge technology. From the bold exterior design and powerful hybrid performance to the hotel-like interior, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. For those who demand the best, who want to see the world without sacrificing comfort, this motorhome represents the ultimate choice. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest luxury vehicles,